Hello students, today we are solving a very interesting JEE Main Mathematics PYQ based on binomial coefficients. At first glance, the question looks lengthy because of the two summations, this one and this one. But don't worry, there is a beautiful identity that converts the entire expression into just one binomial coefficient. Let's solve it step by step. We are given for integers n and r this equation for r lying between n and 0 otherwise. We have to find the maximum value of k for which this given sum exists. Now look carefully at the first summation 10ci into 15c k minus I, which is exactly the form of Vandermonde's identity. The identity says that ACI into BC n minus I over all possible I is equal to A plus B C I plus n minus I, that is A plus B C n after cancelling I. So this first summation becomes 10 plus 15 C I plus k minus I, 10 plus 15 ck after cancelling I, 25 ck. Therefore the first sum is simply, let us write here, 25 ck. Now consider this second summation, which is also exactly the same Vandermonde pattern. Here this 12 plus 13 gives 25 and the lower number I plus k plus 1 minus I will become k plus 1. Therefore, the second summation becomes 25c k plus 1. Let us write here 25c k plus 1. So our entire expression is now 25ck plus 25c k plus 1. Now we apply Pascal's identity. Accordingly, we have NCR plus NCR plus 1 is n plus 1 CR plus 1. Therefore, this sum becomes 25 plus 1, 26 C K plus 1. So the complicated looking expression has reduced to just this. Understand what the question is asking. Now be careful here. The question is not asking for maximum value of the sum. It is asking for the maximum value of k, for which this sum exists with the special definition that the binomial coefficient is 0 otherwise. So we need the largest k for which the resulting binomial coefficient is non-zero. Now we have this 26 ck plus 1 and a binomial coefficient 26cr is non-zero only when 0 less than r less than 26 inclusive. Therefore, k plus 1 must be at most 26, that is less than equal to 26. Hence, k less than equal to 25. Therefore, the largest possible value of k is 25. Quick verification. Let us quickly verify the boundary. For k equals 25, 26c k plus 1 becomes 26c 26, which is 1. So the sum is non-zero. Now take k equals 26, then we get 26c 27, and since 27 greater than 26, according to question's definition, this is 0. Therefore, k equals 26 is not allowed if the sum is required to exist as a non-zero value. Hence, maximum value of k is definitely 25. Therefore, the correct answer option is C, 25. Important JEE trick. There are three things to notice in this question. First, whenever you see a sum containing ACI multiplied by BC n minus I, immediately think of Vandermonde's identity. Second, after applying Vandermonde, if you get two consecutive binomial coefficients such as 25ck plus 25c plus 1, use Pascal's identity. Third, and this is the most important point in this question, don't confuse maximum value of expression with maximum value of k, for which the expression is non-zero. Here we only need the largest allowed lower index. Since 26c k plus 1 is non-zero up to k plus 1 equals 26, therefore the answer is k equals 25. One line revision. For this question, remember Vandermonde to Pascal to check non-zero condition to answer 25. That's it. If you found this shortcut useful, keep practicing more JEE Main Mathematics PYQs. See you in the next question.